Hello.
Well, hello there, Yitzhak Pearson. Welcome to the network of Networth Video Podcast. Hey, man, it's been a long time coming. Glad to finally get you on the show.
Yeah, I'm glad to be here. Thank you for having me, Chris.
Oh yeah, definitely. I tell you, high words were spoken of you from day one by a bunch of your people that you know. So I figured, hey, I've got to get him on here. I've got to have him on the show. I've got to talk to him about what he does, especially since you're just almost local. I mean, you're 30 minutes down the road. So tell us, Yitzhak, what is it that you do in New Braunfels, Texas, in the real estate industry? And I want to start there because I know that you're here to talk about your book and some things you've got launched and everything else. But just to get the meat and potatoes out of the way of who you are and what you do in New Braunfels, tell us all about it.
Absolutely. So I'm a residential real estate agent or a realtor. I do primarily single family residential. I don't really get into commercial too much. I enjoy helping people, families and individuals rather than with the commercial side is a little bit more just the numbers and a little bit more cutthroat. I really enjoy the emotional side of it and getting more fulfillment from helping somebody, whether it's a first-time home buyer or a couple retiring, going into, a home to be closer to their grandkids. That's really what I get a lot of fulfillment from. In that, and then I do real estate instructing as well, so teaching other realtors, just trying to raise the profession as a whole, just constantly staying up to date with education and helping others any way that I can in my industry.
Well, I see you've got one heck of a YouTube channel coming along there too. You've got what 200 and some odd videos you've been putting out. I see you
Yeah,
cranking them out
yeah.
there, man.
A,
Oh yeah, yeah.
a video every week for almost 2 years now, something like that.
Wow,
Yeah.
congratulations on the consistency there. It looks like it's paying off. You got twice the amount of subscribers and you have videos. That's wonderful.
Yeah, and I do have some actual some real estate investors found me on my YouTube channel, and I have about 10 deals going for them right now. So that was just a really validating, result of consistency over time, bringing in, making connections with people and building an audience, and then actually getting some monetary results from it as well.
That's what I was going to talk to you about. In the real estate space, I talk to a lot of people about content creation, having their own channels, putting out video content, written content, and many of them are just lacking in that department. They just don't do it. They just don't do it. They're busy with the work of being a realtor, they're and not the branding part of it, not building their own career in it. Just more about the deal
Yeah.
flow and how to work it out. What could you say to other realtors or people in your space about content creation and the benefits of it in your professional career so far?
You gotta make it a habit, and you gotta start small and just start. A lot of people will get stuck up on how they sound or well, the way they look in the videos. And two things that I tell people on those subjects is, like, we hear ourselves different from because our voice is coming out of our mouths and it's coming back around to our ears through our bones and our skin. So we hear it differently than other people hear it. So if you can get past it, people hear you the exact same way that you.
Hey, if you're interested in a one-on-one business growth strategy consultation with me, fill out the form below and let's set up a time to hop on a Zoom call and talk.
You're the only one hearing yourself different, and then everybody already knows what you look like, so you're the only one who cares what you look like. And it's better to be genuine and authentic, and just put yourself out there when you're not perfect, because people connect with that better than a really hyper edited, perfect makeup, that type of thing. That's not what they want to see. And then when they meet you in person, they want it to be congruent with what they saw online. So when they meet you in person and you're not perfect, then that's a good thing. So those are two things for hurdles. And then just start slowly, start making the videos and make short form content, and then work up and take classes. There was lots of classes and videos and iterations to get to where I am at now with my video production and just making consistent videos every week. And think of it from a long view, like one video. Don't try and be perfect with one video. Perfection is the enemy of completion. So just get a video out and put it out there and think about you're going to be making thousands of videos. So that one video over 1,000 videos is very minute. And if you can just think of it like that, I'm going to be making thousands of videos, and this is just one of those thousands.
That's it. I have found that that helps quite a bit. You know, when you're thinking about those things that may or may not be perfect. You know, just remember, hey, that's a past episode.